Good morning, student of class 6. I am a Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss some MCQ question answer for clear the concept of the MCQ question. Okay, and as all of you know that the first term exam is coming soon, and the school has already declared the date of the first term examination, which is 21 September. Okay, so all of you have to read the chapter, each and every chapter very carefully. Okay, read the each and every chapter very carefully to answer in the examination. Okay, next is here you can see the syllabus of first term examination. The first 4 chapters which are included in the examination: first is mapping of the earth, next is landforms of the earth, third chapter is water bodies of the earth, and last chapter is agriculture. I have already completed all the 4 chapters. Okay, and I hope that all of you have already learned all the question answer from this chapter. So move on to the MCQ question answer. So first question is, the deepest point of the earth's surface is, here you can see the 4 option given here. Okay, 4 option given here. Number 1 is mid Atlantic ridge, number 2 is the English Channel, number 3 the Mariana Trench, and last option is East Africa Rift Valley. Okay, so we all know that the Mariana Trench is the deepest point of the earth's surface, which is in the specific ocean. Okay, which is in the specific ocean, so number 3 option is correct. Next is, this is not a fooder crops. Okay, this is not a fooder crops. Option number 3, all the option are given below. First option is barley, next is cotton, maize, and none of these. Okay, and the option number 2 is correct. Cotton is not a fooder crops. Okay, cotton is not a fooder crops. Okay, next option is, from the following option which tool is used in traditional agriculture. Okay, which tool is used in traditional agriculture? First option is wooden plug, next is sickle, next is hand pump, and last is all of these. Okay, in this question all these options which are tools used in the traditional agriculture. Okay, that means all of this option is correct. All these option, that means wooden plug, sickle, and hand pump, all are used in the traditional agriculture. Okay, so option number 4 is correct, all of these. Next is example of an plantation crop. This is very easy question. We all know that the coffee is an example of plantation crop. Okay, next is, there are dash main intermediate directional points. Okay, there are dash main intermediates directional points. We all know that the intermediate points is only 4. Okay, only 4, so option number 3 is correct. The long narrow top of the mountain is called ridge, range, and plateau. Okay, and last option is none of these. That means we all know that the long narrow top of the mountain is called a peak. Okay, peak is not given here, so the right option is not given here, so we tick on the none of this option. Okay, none of this option is the correct answer, क्योंकि the right answer is not given in the options. Okay, next is, the river does not flow through the Asia. Okay, the river does not flow through the Asia. Here we can see Indus, Yangtze, Ganga, all are these the river which are flows from the Asia, through the Asia. Okay, so last is Seini is the river which is not flows through the Asia. Okay, next is, the percentage of Earth's surface occupied by the water bodies. The percentage of the Earth's surface occupied by the water bodies: 70%, 71%, 72%, or 73%. We all know that the Earth's surface only 71% occupied by the water bodies and 29% occupied by the land mass. Okay, so number 2 option is correct, 71%. Next is the two-dimensional model of the earth. Okay, the two-dimensional model of the earth. Globe, we all know that the globe has three-dimensional maps. Map is the option which is correct. Okay, map is two-dimensional model of the earth. Next is, which map shows all the small place in great details. Okay, which map shows a small place in a great details. Okay, next, first option is political maps, second option is physical map, third option is thematic map, and last option is topographical map. Okay, when I discussed this chapter, I told you that the topographical map is very useful. Okay, so here you can see the number 4 option is topographical map. Okay, topographical map shows a small place in a great details. Okay, so the option number 4 is correct. Next is following from the following option, which is not drawn to scale. Which is not drawn to scale? First is globe, next option is plan, next option is map. We all know that the sketch is not drawn to the scale, and it is based on the observation. Okay, so here you can see the correct option sketch is not given here, so we tick on the none of this option. Okay, none of this option. Next is sample cover crops. Okay, example of cover crops. We all know that barley is the example of cover crops. Next is which state is the main producing state of coffee in India? Okay, first option is West Bengal, next option is Assam, third option is Tamil Nadu, and last option is none of this. We all know that the Tamil Nadu, Kerala is the largest producing state of coffee in India. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand the concept and the of the MCQ question answer. Okay, first of all, when you going to the examination, you need to read the question properly. Okay, read the question properly and understand what the question want. Okay, so first of all of you read the question properly. Okay, some of question are coming from the exercise which are very easy, but inside questions are need to read the question properly. Okay, when the question answer coming from inside the chapter, all of you should read the question properly. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand what I might want to say. Please read the book properly, each and every chapter. Okay, each and every chapter. And so I am ending my discussion here. I will revise some chapter question answer in my next video. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.